because I only have $1.80 on my wallet today. I didn't prepare. Hello, Future Millionaire. Today I'm doing a very special test here with Sue and Chris. Hi, how are you guys?
Good, thank you.
Good, thanks.
Yeah, we're doing something we have never done before on the camera, which is giving Bitcoin to two different people at the same time. And I want to demonstrate to everybody how easy it is to use Bitcoin Cash. So all I have to do is go to your App Store and search for the word Bitcoin.
Sure.
And when you look for it, you just scroll it down to the first non-paid content. That's the one, the B. That's the one with the big B, yes. And the wonderful part is Sue is using Android. Install, press install. And she's using Android, and Chris here is using Apple. So two different platforms, and I'm using a $200 smartphone. And is this downloading?
I'm done.
You are done. Then activate it. Just press open. Yours is also done. That's pretty fast. We have very fast internet connections here. So both are creating automatically the wallet. As you can see, you have not given any personal information to anybody.
No.
Nobody knows your personal detail.
Nope.
And Chris here is the IT specialist. He knows exactly that his privacy is not being invaded.
So far I feel comfortable.
Yeah. Press receive.
Receive.
Receive on top left. Yes. Receive. Receive. Wonderful.
Nice QR code.
See, I am actually the slow guy here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to send to you, each one of you, about 80 cents.
Okay.
And the only reason I do 80 cents today
Rich.
instead of $1 is because I only have $1.80 on my wallet today. I didn't prepare. Okay. All right. All I do is scan your QR code.
Yeah.
I sent 80 cents. And let's see how fast it goes. I'm sending. And
Broadcasting. Payment
there it
sent.
is.
Payment
You got
received.
your 80 cents
Alright.
Aussie dollar. Now I'm giving Sue also 80 cents.
Now look at your phone, Sue.
Yep. And I'm gonna swipe. Let's see how long does it take. Done.
You now have 56 cents US, is that correct?
Yeah, you can change the currency any way you like later on. So
Awesome.
I
That's
have
simple.
27 cents left on my wallet, so I'm down to the last cent, literally speaking. And what we have seen here is I've given two people who have never used Bitcoin Cash before. Within 1 minute, both of you have become not only Bitcoin Cash user, you are now also officially able to receive Bitcoin Cash payment from anywhere in the world, from anybody. If someone needs your service, and your service is a global service, right? You can provide a service to anybody you want. Someone from Japan wants to use your service. He can, because he can now pay you straightforward, like I just did, instantaneously. If someone from Japan pays you in Japanese yen via Bitcoin Cash network, any amount, the transaction fee is less than 1 cent.
Wow.
And you receive this instantaneously.
Wow.
And if you hold on to your Bitcoin Cash, in 6.5 years from today, you have 1,000 times more money. Because by then, there'll be a lot more people using exactly the same network.
Yes.
It will spread just as fast as Hotmail was spreading at the beginning. Yeah. Remember, Hotmail was
Yes.
not the only email service provider. There were many email service providers at the same time as Hotmail. Why did Hotmail spread faster than anybody else? Because at the bottom it says, from my Hotmail account. And everybody remember the name, easy to remember. Speed, how fast it goes, how easy it is. If this is easy enough, so is it going to be just easy for the next user when you want to send them some money. Because from here, if you want send somebody else crypto payment in the US to your supplier, and if he accept Bitcoin, then you will say, oh, can I pay you with Bitcoin Cash? And because it's so easy to install for him, you can literally start paying somebody else in an instant, immediately.
But suppliers are increasing globally that are accepting Bitcoin.
Yes, absolutely.
Every day, aren't they?
Absolutely.
It's increasing every day.
Absolutely. And I believe right now, as we speak, you are the first company on the Gold Coast in your area of expertise accepting Bitcoin Cash. So
Awesome.
congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right.
Awesome.
See you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.